The national capital and electricity bills are on the rise. It's the Aam Aadmi Party versus the BJP as far as the rise in electricity bills is concerned, with residential consumers now to pay extra. The power bills to increase by 6 to 8%. And Delhi's BJP has planned to stage a protest in front of the Delhi Secretariat today against this price hike as far as electricity bills are concerned. Now, electricity bills in Delhi have gone up since the 1st of May as power companies have hiked electricity tariffs, affecting many households and businesses. The increase in tariffs is evident in bills that residents have been receiving in the month of July. Let's just get you some of the reactions coming in.
अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार दिल्ली वालों को लूटने का कोई मौका छोड़ नहीं रही। अब आप जरा अपने बिजली के बिल को ध्यान से देखिए। पीपीएसी के नाम पर 8.75% टैक्स बढ़ाया गया है और उसकी वजह से आपका बिल 1.5 गुना हो गया है। और ये चोरी बिना बताए की गई, कोई अप्रूवल नहीं ली गई, चुपचाप लोगों के बिल बढ़ गए हैं। जिसका बिल अगर 2000 आता है तो अब देखेंगे तो 3000 से ऊपर होगा।
We have Ishika Verma joining us to get us more on this. Ishika, the BJP has invited, the residents to come out on the street. They want people to join this protest, in which they've asked them to bring their electricity bills as well. From what time is this protest in Delhi expected?
Well, Divya, as you rightly mentioned, that as the electricity bills, continue to increase, especially in the month of the July, especially when the officials here in the power discoms, they say that the electricity bills are going to increase by 6% at least. Now, the Delhi BJP has in fact attacked the Delhi government and said that it is the Delhi government that is backing these power discom companies to loot from the general public. And now, for that, they have planned to hold a protest outside the Delhi Secretariat against the Delhi government. Now, certainly, as you rightly mentioned, the BJP has in fact invited all the residents of the national capital, saying that if they have increased, if they have received an increased electricity bill, they should bring that along and show it to the government that they elected to work in their favor. Now, if we talk about the power minister Atashi, she in fact had issued a statement, at that time when the BJP had attacked, and she had said that, the PPAC charges can be increased for a short time during, the peak hours, especially during the summer season. But, these PPAC charges can be increased by 7%. But the BJP says that these PPAC charges have been increased by 8.75%, thus impacting the consumers a lot, and thus their inconvenience also will be increasing. Now, the BJP also questions that why an audit of this power discom companies has not been done yet by the Delhi government. So certainly the flashpoint between the opposition, that is the BJP, and the Aam Aadmi Party led Delhi government continues over this increased electricity bills.